So like the spray just one tapped my wall, and I'm sitting here like, bro, how? Probably because the sky is low-key cloudy, but it's not even that deep, and normally the fish just eats the air that pops out of 2010 bangers, which makes zero sense, but stay with me here. Like, actually, what is going on? Am I throwing? Am I the only one seeing this? Nah, because I know there's woodlice lurking in that forest near the sea you're not supposed to think about. You know the one. The Forbidden Sea. But bro, how do you not think about it? It's literally peeking me from every angle like a jet dash into my brain, except she never leaves. She just sits there, camping, in my head. I don't know. So now, I'm stuck here trying to clutch this mental round, and I got zero Uta left. Like, can someone please rotate over and help me out because I am cooked? Absolutely diffed by my own thoughts right now. Someone drop me a vandal or something, I can't do this anymore.